Friends, first you see the choose the correct answer. First question, what was the early man to collect his food? They given the four options: trade, painting, hunting, rearing of animals. Which one is comes the answer? Hunting. Second one, match the statement with the reason, tick the appropriate one. The statement, first statement is given, prehistoric men went along with the dog for hunting. What is the reason given for that? Dogs with its sniffing power would find out the other animals. The options are statement is true but reason is wrong. Second option, statement and reason are correct. Third option, statement is wrong and reason is correct. Fourth option, both statements and reason are wrong. What you get that answer? What is the answer? Second one, statement B. Yes, statement and reason are correct. Now find the odd one. Find the odd one. What is the first one? Painting were drawn on rocks and caves. Second option, there were painting depicting hunting scenes. Third option, it was drawn to show his family members about hunting. Fourth option, the painting were painted by using many colors. Which one is the odd one? Yes, it was drawn to show his family members about hunting. Yes, very good. Now see the third Roman letter. Fill in the blanks. First one, the old Stone Age man lived mostly in dash. Where they lived, ma? They lived in caves. Yes. Second one, dash is the father of history. Who is the father of history? Herodotus. Next, third question. Dash was the first animal tamed by old Stone Age man. Which animal he termed as that? Dog. Yes. Second, next option. Next question. Inscription are dash sources. What are that inscription are? Archaeological sources. Yes. Fourth one, the last one. Dharma Chakra has dash spokes. How many spokes are there? 24 spokes. Yes, very good. Now see the next one. State true or false. Stone tools belonging to old Stone Age have been excavated at Attirapakam near Chennai. That statement is true. The second one, the materials used by the ancient people are preserved in the museums by the archaeological department. That statement also true. Fourth one, third one, during the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country. That statement also true. Now see the match the following rock paintings. Where you find out that rock paintings? Yes, to understand the lifestyle. Written records. What is that answer? Written records. Copper plates. Third one. Ashoka. Ashoka. What do you understood that Ashoka? The most famous king. Last one. Religious literature. Which is the religious literature? Devaram. Devaram is the religious literature. Understood this one word answers, ma? Now see the answer in one word. Can you say any two advantages of writing diary? So most of you have this habit to writing the diaries. So what is the advantages for that? Diary writing helps to record the events. It is one of the record. So written evidence. Okay. So second one advantage, it reveals the lifestyle of people of that period. It give the informations about that period people. So now see the second one. How do we know the people lifestyle of the old stone age? How we are finding, ma? Yes, we understand the lifestyle of people of old stone age from used stone tools and used stone tools, their paintings on the rocks and walls of the caves. Understood these two questions? Now see the third question. Is inscription a written document? Yes, inscription is a written document. What is proto-history? Proto-history is the period between prehistory and history. Next, name and epics. How many epics are there? Ramayana, Mahabharata, Manimekalai. These are the three epics. Understood up to this? Now, so can we move to the answer the following? See first question. What is history? First point. History is a record of past events in chronological order. Then, the term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means, what is the meaning of that? Learning by inquiry. Learning by inquiry. Next question. What do you know about the prehistoric period? What do you know about the prehistoric period? Yes, the answer, the period between the use of first stone tools and the invention of writing systems. Invention of writing systems is prehistory. Is prehistory. Next point, stone tools, excavated materials and rock paintings are the major sources of prehistory. Understood these questions up to this questions of? Okay, in that revision period, I will ask these questions. You thorough it all that once. One verse, everything. Understood, children? Thank you.